Sugarcane is one of the staple commodities, widely cultivated in tropical countries, including Indonesia. Generally, sugarcane crops are harvested around 12 months. And to ensure maximum yield, sugarcane must be kept in good health and free from pests. Avirtech offers comprehensive monitoring solutions to help farmers detect pests early with weeds detection, gap and health analysis. Problems are treated quickly with Aviro Drones to spray fertilizers or pesticides with excellent efficiency, durability, flexibility, and accuracy. In addition, Avirtech provides spraying of Ripener for sugarcane using Aviro Drones. Ripeners hasten plant maturity and prolong the period of maximum stalk sucrose concentration. Aviro Drones spraying ensure consistent, uniform, and 10 times faster compared to manual Ripener application, ensuring superior Brix yield. Ripener spraying using Aviro Drones has proven to increase productivity, reduce waste, and increase yield. Talk to us today.